BASF is in Hall 5 and Dr. Glück, which means luck, is here next to us, or happiness actually, so thank you so much for your time. We're standing next to the concept car and it's something very, very special that you've designed, and what exactly does it do and what kind of components does it have?
Yeah, so actually we are very happy at this care fair that we have a number of examples here on display that show our competence in giving solutions to the market. Therefore, our slogan also for this care fair is from ideas to ideal solutions. And Hyundai came to us and said, we want to push our performance brand and we want to make therefore a green racing car. Can you help us? And you see, we could obviously help them.
So what exactly does that mean? How did you help them? What makes this car so special?
Yeah, so they came with a very long list. It should be lightweight, it should be safe, it should be durable, it should have a great design, and it should be sustainable. And actually there are more than 24 of solutions that actually realized all those wish lists. And for example, the outer panels is done with a compact polyurethane system. We call it Elastolite. The interior is done with a system we call Acrodur, which includes up to 85% of natural fibers. It's thermoformable and has a wonderful design, so therefore especially the designers were excited, and already we could see there's a lot of response at this fair. Many people come and are very interested in that material. We have also introduced a new polyamide high temperature solution, also realized for that car. It can be used in the engine part. It has a very low water uptake, high temperature resistance, and also very low mechanical wear. So it can be used for many, many applications, and therefore it's again an ideal solution for many, many applications.
So this is just an example. Do you think we will see these kind of cars driving around the normal roads in a few years?
So maybe not exactly this car, but actually Hyundai wants to launch that type of car series from beginning of next year. So we will see for sure that car, and I'm also very much excited to see that concept also running on the streets. And one significant point of that car is that all the solutions we included in that car are available as of today. This is high performance available as of today. We're not talking about the next 10 years. This is actually today.
Now tell me about bioplastic. It was also a topic that you are talking about here and showing as different things you've developed. What exactly can we see, and how important is bioplastic nowadays?
Yeah, bioplastics, of course, is very important, and we have a number of solutions also for bioplastics. We have EcoVio and EcoFlex brands, from biodegradable to bio-based materials. There's a very nice application on display here, also at the K Fair, that is used for covering agricultural fields to protect the crop. And this is a biodegradable material, so after it's done its job, you can just cut it into small pieces and then it's biodegraded inside the soil.
I've heard the word sustainability a couple of times already while we've been talking. Is this the number one topic in the industry, or is something else important?
So things have to be sustainable. It's a prerequisite. Yeah? So of course we're always talking about costs as well, and performance. This is the magic triangle. It must be cost performing, the performance itself must be there and must be sustainable. Outside that triangle you won't be successful.
So why is it important to be here at the K?
The K is a very important event for us. So it's a unique opportunity basically to meet the plastics and rubber world. It's very compact within 8 days, very intensive, and we already had so many contacts to customers and partners. It's a very intense event for us, and we make, I believe, best use of it.
Dr. Glück, thank you so much for your time. I'm going to be very excited to see what you're going to bring in the next 3 years, because you've done so much in the past 3 years. I wish you a good and successful K, and come visit you here in Hall 5. I'm sure that there's a lot to talk about.
Thank you also very much.